All right, this video is to show you how to do an oil change on a Honda Civic. So pop your engine, your hood, and then you open your engine where you fill the oil. Just get it loose and just leave it on top of it, like, you know, we just want the flow. So when we take the drain on the bottom, the plug, it'll flow easier. Now let me get a light. Need a flashlight. Where's the flashlight? Okay, down there. All right, so now I'm gonna come down here. So you can do this by hand, or if you have a drill, be faster. So you're gonna take 4 of these, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. All right, once we have that, we can slide this to the back. The little tray comes down. Then we can see where the plug is. Not sure what size this is. Let's find out right now. So that's 17 actually, 17. So which way we want to go? We want to go down. So we put it on. Be a little hole with one hand. I want to tap on it. There we go. All right, so we get the thing where the oil is gonna go. And we come up here. Make sure you put it farther in so it doesn't miss your little tray. So when you're taking it off, kind of push it in until you feel that it's already out, so it doesn't drip a lot of oil on you. You keep pushing it in. So now it's out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pull it real fast. Just gonna let the oil, pull the oil drain down. Then we're gonna look for the filter. Filter is right there. Right there. Right there. So we're gonna get a socket, get the filter out. Alright, so once you find the socket, the right socket for your filter right there, put it on. Once it's loose, make sure you slide. Look at this a little bit over here. Make sure you slide your bucket under, and then you can get it loose. Let it drip a little bit, you know, the extra oil. And then you can untwist the whole thing. There it is. We're just gonna let it drain for a couple minutes. And then we put it, the new filter back, the plug, and put the oil in. Alright, so we got the oil out. Now we got the new filter in. Just gotta make it tight. You don't want to go too crazy on it. That's good. Okay. Oh, a little socket got stuck up there. That's okay, I'll get it off. And then we go here. Make this tight. good. That's good. Wipe everything good. Okay, so now we take a little tray again. We gotta put her in these little guides. There's 4 little things, one in the back and one right here. That's why you gotta kind of push up. I'll probably be able to do this with one hand, or maybe right there. So this gotta go like that, but you gotta make sure you get all 4. So there, I missed one. A little tricky. Okay, there. You got 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Missing one. Almost there. So yeah, you stick your finger in the hole right here, and it will help you. It'll help you get it where you want it. Now this right here gotta go on top. There. This one gotta go inside. This one gotta go inside here. There we go. Whoops, no. There we go. Yeah, so in the front, you gotta make sure you go under the plastic. Right here, where is it? This one. Gotta make sure you go under the plastic so you can get it in the right. All right, so now we're ready to put the oil. Kind of want to go slow on it. On the Civic, I'm gonna reset the oil light, the maintenance. So we're gonna go to menu. Oh, go up here first, and then they'll take you to menu, and then we go up to vehicle info, maintenance. We hit OK. Oil life, we hit OK, and then say you want to reset it. We go down, and we say yes, and then maintenance has been reset to 100%. Oil life, and that's so there it is to it.